In this video, I am going to show you how to add Venmo to Apple Pay. It's easy steps. You can do that by adding your debit card to the wallet. Step 1. Launch Apple Wallet. Start by opening the Wallet app on your phone to access your Apple Pay account. Step 2. Tap the plus icon. Once your wallet opens, look for the plus sign at the upper right corner of your screen. Tap it to add your Venmo debit card to Apple Pay. Step 3. Select debit or credit card. Apple Wallet allows you to add debit and credit cards to your account. Your Venmo MasterCard is a debit card, so you must add it to your wallet. Select debit or credit card from the card type section. Step 4. Enter your Venmo card details. The next screen will require you to scan your Venmo debit card from the front and the back. You have to open your phone's camera and hover it over to the card. The details will be entered in the Wallet app automatically. And of course, you can also add the details manually too. Once Apple Pay verifies the Venmo card, it will become a payment method in your wallet. You can now use it Venmo as any merchant that accepts Apple Pay. You can keep your debit card at home and use it virtually. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.